Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're taking a deeper look at another lineup of classic motorcycles currently listed across the United States. Number 1. 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $2,500, Fairfield, Illinois. This 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 is a classic Ironhead-era machine that blends raw mechanical character with practical updates for modern ownership. Built around a custom 2001 frame, the bike is reported to run, ride, and shift correctly, making it more than just a static project. It is currently kickstart only, which appeals to purists, but the seller includes nearly all the components required to convert it to electric start, missing only an inexpensive ring gear that must be welded to the clutch basket. Outfitted with a Super E carburetor and new tires, this Sportster offers strong value for buyers seeking an affordable Harley with both riding potential and long-term customization flexibility. Number 2. 1983 Honda Goldwing, $1,300, Irwin, Tennessee. This 1983 Honda Goldwing showcases Honda's reputation for engineering motorcycles designed to cover long distances with comfort and reliability. With just over 12,600 miles recorded, this example is described as complete and includes all paperwork, which adds peace of mind for buyers considering registration or resale. Powered by a smooth flat-4 engine, the Goldwing delivers predictable power and a stable riding experience, especially at highway speeds. Finished in black and offered at a notably low price for a touring platform, this bike stands out as a practical classic that can be ridden regularly rather than reserved solely for display.
Just ain't got no use for it.
Number 3. 1971 Indian Boy Racer Super Scrambler 50cc, $5,500, Allendale, Michigan. This 1971 Indian Boy Racer Super Scrambler is an exceptionally rare minicycle that holds an important place in Indian's lesser-known history. Marketed as Indian's first high-performance racing mini bike, this example remains all original and is reported to run like new. Power comes from a 50cc Minarelli 4-speed engine paired with a Delorto carburetor and expansion chamber, producing a sharp exhaust note and lively acceleration. Original decals, seat, plastics, and grips remain intact, with only minor paint touch-ups. Given the extremely limited survival rate, this bike represents a serious collector-grade opportunity. Number 4. 1974 Kawasaki H2 750, $11,900, Loves Park, Illinois. The 1974 Kawasaki H2 750 is one of the most iconic two-stroke motorcycles ever produced, and this one-owner example is a rare survivor. Showing approximately 8,000 miles, it retains factory accessories, original manuals, and documented ownership history. Known for its aggressive power delivery and reputation-defining performance, the H2 helped cement Kawasaki's dominance in the early 1970s muscle bike era. Finished in gold and described as running properly with all systems functioning as intended, this motorcycle is positioned as a collector-focused machine rather than a modified rider. Number 5. 1965 Triumph Bonneville 650, $10,000, Mount Clemens, Michigan. This 1965 Triumph Bonneville 650 represents one of the most celebrated designs in British motorcycling history. Having undergone an older restoration, the bike presents cleanly while maintaining authentic vintage character. It starts easily, runs strong, and all electrical components, gauges, and controls are reported to function correctly. The parallel twin engine delivers the classic exhaust note that made the Bonneville famous worldwide. Suitable for weekend rides, vintage events, or long-term collecting, this example strikes a balance between usability and historical significance. Number 6. 1978 BMW R100 7, $2,500, Weaverville, North Carolina. This 1978 BMW R100 7 is a proven rider that has been thoughtfully upgraded for comfort and long-distance touring. With approximately 32,000 miles, it recently completed a 1,500-mile trip without issues, highlighting its reliability. Upgrades include a dual-disc front end from an R100 RS, a deep sump oil pan, Coney shocks, and a Corbin seat, with the original seat included. A color-matched Luftmeister fairing and a large collection of spare parts further enhance its value. This BMW is well suited for riders seeking a dependable vintage touring machine. Number 7. 1971 Suzuki TS185, $1,600, Youngstown, Ohio. This Suzuki TS185 is a lightweight dual-sport classic designed for simplicity and everyday fun. The bike is reported to start easily, run smoothly, and features a working charging system, making it immediately usable. Known for its nimble handling and ease of maintenance, the TS185 was popular with riders who wanted a motorcycle capable of handling both paved roads and light trail riding. Offered with a bill of sale and sold as is, this example is ideal for casual riding, vintage trail use, or as an approachable entry into classic two-stroke ownership. Number 8. 1957 Jawa 250 with sidecar, $9,000, Hickory Hills, Illinois. This 1957 Jawa 250 with sidecar is a distinctive vintage motorcycle that stands apart from more commonly seen European brands. Described as fully rebuilt, the bike runs and rides properly and includes a clean title. The addition of the sidecar significantly enhances its historical charm and usability, making it suitable for relaxed cruising, shows, or parades. Finished in black and presented as a complete package, this Jawa offers collectors a rare opportunity to own a unique piece of mid-century Eastern European motorcycling history. Number 9. 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $4,750, French Lick, Indiana. This 1980 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead RoadGlide marks a key transition year for Harley, featuring the first use of the 1340cc engine paired with a 5-speed transmission. The bike has received a new top end and transmission work, positioning it as a rider-ready classic rather than a full restoration project. A 21-inch front wheel and numerous spare parts add both visual impact and customization potential. Known for strong torque and unmistakable styling, this Shovelhead appeals to riders seeking a classic Harley with mechanical updates already addressed. Number 10. 1977 Yamaha XS360, $2,500, Kansas City, Missouri. This 1977 Yamaha XS360 is a lightweight and approachable vintage motorcycle with under 6,000 miles recorded. The bike starts easily, runs well, and includes a clean title, making ownership straightforward. The XS series is known for balanced handling, reliability, and ease of maintenance, which continues to make it popular among vintage enthusiasts. Finished in red and described as well-presented, this XS360 is suitable for daily casual riding or as a clean example of late 1970s Japanese motorcycle design. Number 11. 1986 Husqvarna WR400, $2,000, Kewadin, Michigan. This 1986 Husqvarna WR400 is a desirable vintage off-road machine, presented in original condition and purchased from its original owner. Showing low miles, it has recently received fresh oil, coolant, a new air filter, and a rebuilt carburetor. Known for lightweight construction and strong performance, the WR400 is respected among vintage motocross and enduro riders. Whether kept as a collector piece or ridden as intended, this Husqvarna offers authenticity and performance at a reasonable entry point. Number 12. 1977 BMW R100 RS, $2,900, Fairfield, Ohio. This 1977 BMW R100 RS demonstrates the long-term durability of BMW's air-cooled boxer engines. Showing 167,000 kilometers, the bike runs strong and has been well maintained with various upgrades over time. It retains original paint with factory pinstriped wheels and includes Krauser saddlebags with keys and storage bags. Featuring a European serial number and clear Ohio title, this R100 RS remains an affordable entry into classic BMW sport touring ownership. Number 13. 1981 Suzuki GS850, $1,500, Cleveland, Ohio. This 1981 Suzuki GS850 is a solid mid-size touring motorcycle with moderate mileage and consistent maintenance history. The seller reports regular carburetor servicing and oil changes at the start of each riding season, along with new tires installed in 2024. Powered by a smooth inline-four engine, the GS850 delivers predictable performance and long-term reliability. Finished in red and priced affordably, it remains a practical choice for riders seeking dependable vintage transportation. Number 14. 1956 Indian Tomahawk, $5,295, Columbus, Ohio. The 1956 Indian Tomahawk represents a unique collaboration period when Indian-branded motorcycles were powered by British Royal Enfield engines. This example features a 500cc twin and retains much of its original patina, despite some repainting. New tires were installed in 2022, and the bike is reported to start easily, run smoothly, and stop as expected. As an uncommon model within the Indian lineage, the Tomahawk holds strong appeal for collectors interested in historically significant cross-brand motorcycles. Number 15. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 Spectre, $895, Decatur, Georgia. This 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 Spectre is a powerful early 1980s muscle bike offered at a project-level price. Known as one of the fastest motorcycles Kawasaki produced during its era, this example shows low mileage but has been sitting since 2022. It will require a full tune-up and comprehensive fuel system service, and it is offered with a bill of sale only due to the missing title. For mechanically inclined buyers, this Spectre represents an affordable opportunity to revive a high-performance vintage machine. That wraps up today's Moto Market Explorer selection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next classic motorcycle search.